Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, all you need to do is open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open, as you can see, and visible. Just make sure in your case the content that you want to capture is visible on your screen. And from there, press power button and volume down at the same time. You'll get this kind of flash with the pop-up of editing and sharing this screenshot, which disappears after a moment. Now once it does, you can find it in your Photos application, or gallery as Samsung calls it, and it will be visible right at the front right here, but you can also later on find it under albums and screenshots. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.